Hi friends, find the missing number. Here it is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Again it is a row wise problem. The logic is here the third term is square of the difference between the first and 2. That means for R1 10 minus 6 equal to 4 and third term is 4 square 16. Similarly for R2 9 minus 3 equal to 6 and it is written as 6 square 36. For R3 8 minus x equal to 9. 9 means it is 3 square. 8 minus x equal to 3. So x equal to 5.